Hey there. In this video, I'd like to talk about how you can use AI to build your retirement calculator. I would like to show you building a retirement calculator and how you can adjust using Claude. I assume that when you'll be retiring, you will have a portfolio of $1 million, and each year after retirement, you need $50,000 for your daily expenditure. And retirement years, you will, for example, if you retire in 65, you will be having 30 years of retirement. So basically, I'm looking at annuity over 30 years and inflation is 2.5. What I did is basically I asked Claude that design a portfolio for retirement if I have 1 million where I can get a fixed income and spend it. What that is it's designed me for 1 million base. And as I said, that it keeps the money in a safe cash for 1 to 2 years, and then rest of the funds are 3 to 10 years of bond and fixed income and long-term bracket in basically equities. It's actually split it in a three different segment. I'll show you there. Here is the input, the portfolio for $1 million annual spend there. We can actually increase or decrease. You can have more. So you can see that if you increase your portfolio, you can see that withdrawal rate here is going up and estimated runway will be more. Basically, if you have more money, then you can go there. Even like you can see that if you annual spend is more, then your estimated runway, basically the depletion or how much year it will take to like make to zero or you cannot use it, that's will be going down. But then your monthly return will be going up there, and rate of withdrawal will be going up. And then if you want to use it for lesser year, like not 30 years, like 25 years for annuity, so you can see that you can have a more when reduce there. Inflation adjusted value of the end period is more over here. Okay. Obviously, let's do it for 30 years and then how it works. Now, how it allocate your cash here. I will say the bucket one, bucket two, and bucket three. So bucket in on the cash. Cash is for your emergency purposes, or you can use it 1 to 2 years of expenses. You will be allocating 9% of it, like total portfolio 9%. Amount will be around 94,000 because you have a $1 million there. And the vehicles is basically what kind of investment you will be choosing, which is T-bills, which is treasury bills, GIC kind of a thing, and expected yield is around 4 to 5%. Second is the fixed income. Fixed income is basically GIC or bond or ETFs that gives you sometimes a fixed annual return each year or monthly return, how that particularly bond and ETF works there. It's a fixed income budget. So that will be parking your 40% of money for 3 to 10 years, which is around 400,000. And the rest of the money, which is 51%, you can put it in equity stock or ETFs, which will be actually growing your portfolio. Here is the bucket two details, which is basically the fixed income, the Canadian federal one, five years, you can put like the the segment of it. And then here is the graph. If you choose, and you can really allocate your money in a different bucket, and you will see that if you have a conservative, which is like 3% return, if your overall portfolio running for 3%, you're getting 3% back, then you only have 24 less than 24 years to go. Where if you have a 5% return, which is the base one, you can see that you can reach 30%, 30 years, sorry. And then if you have more than 7%, so it's actually goes up. You will not get your total portfolio will not go down, it will go up. Hope you like it. You can use your own comment in a Claude or ChatGPT. It will build it for you. Thank you.